Hello. While preparing for UPSC Civil Services examination, one of the most important requirement is to read a newspaper. Now, most of the students, they find it difficult to prepare a proper strategy to read a newspaper. So today, I'm going to take this session to streamline the process of how to prepare your notes from a newspaper. Now, first and foremost thing, in this, you have to decide which is the right newspaper for you. So what you can do is, I'm going to tell you few names which will be relevant for your preparation. First is the Hindu or the Indian Express. Ideally, you should go for both of these, and these newspapers are required for in-depth analysis of any particular issue, right? So these are, I would say, the newspapers that require the most detailed reading. Secondly, you will be going for Business Standard, and this newspaper is required for the economy section. And thirdly, you will be going for PIB or the Press Information Bureau and PRS India. These two will be required for various government schemes and policies. So first and foremost, you have to decide which all newspapers you're supposed to read, right? So I have given you three options or three sources from which you are supposed to prepare your notes pertaining to the current affairs and in general the newspaper sources. So firstly, Hindu or Indian Express or both ideally for the in-depth information. Secondly, Business Standard for the economy section. And thirdly, the PIB Press Information Bureau and I would say PRS India for the government schemes and policies. Now, after choosing the sources, the next important step is to study the relevant sections. In that, starting from the front page, right? What you have to study in the front page? The national and the international events, right? You have to skip the political news here. Don't read the political news unless and until they are any policy related, right? Otherwise, you have to skip the normal political news. Next section is pertaining to editorial and opinion page. I would say that this is the most important page in any newspaper. This is helpful in your mains answer writing, and it will help you in getting a balanced viewpoint regarding any particular issue. Next section is national and international news. Now, this particular section pertains to what? Policies, treaties, global summits, and various diplomatic relations that our country is having with other countries. Next section is pertaining to economy. This is also another very important section which pertains to what? The RBI policies, the economic survey, and the budget highlights, right? So this is going to be helpful in your Indian economy section of GS. The next section pertains to environment and science. Now this is relevant to the GS paper of environment. In this, you will be focusing on news of climate change, biodiversity, or any new technology that has come up. So this will be helpful basically both for environment as well as science and technology. The next section pertains to judiciary. In judiciary, what we mean? Any important Supreme Court or High Court judgments. So these are again will be relevant for your polity paper, and if you have taken public administration as your option or PSIR as your option, then definitely it's going to be useful in those examinations also. Next section pertains to the government schemes and policies. In this, you will be searching for any new initiatives by the government and what has been their impact in general on the society. Now next, as I've already said, you have to skip any irrelevant news, right? And what do you mean by irrelevant news? If there is a news on conflict between the political parties, any celebrity gossips or local crime news, then these news need to be skipped because they are not relevant from the exam point of view. Next area is the note making strategy, which is the most important area. Finally, whatever information you have read, how you have to club it together to be used constructively at later stages. In this, the first and foremost step is you have to follow the UPSC syllabus, right? And what you will do with this, you have to relate the news with different areas of your study, like polity, economy, and international relations, etc. So whatever different areas you will be studying, with that you have to relate the news, and accordingly, what you will do is you will prepare short notes or mind maps, right? And in this, what you will do, you will summarize all the information in bullet points, right? You are not supposed to prepare detailed notes, right? Summarize the things in bulleted points. And next thing is you have to organize this particular information in different categories, right? That means what? Subject wise. Governance will have a particular section. It will be having news pertaining to this particular area. Then again, for international relations, you will be having a particular section, right? For economy, you will be having a particular section. Similarly for polity, right? Similarly for different areas, science and technology, environment, all these areas, and as per your optional subject also. Then in this, what will be the last step? You have to keep on revising your notes on a weekly basis. What you will do in this revision? You will keep updating these notes with the latest information, right? And you will discard outdated information, right? So it may happen that some facts and figures, they have changed over a period of time. So what you will do? You will put the latest figures and discard or remove the old figures, right? So this is the strategy for preparing the notes. The next step will be, you have to use the online resources, right? These days, internet is one of your best friends to prepare for UPSC examination, and there is plethora of information available on the internet, so you should use it wisely. So how you can do it? You can see daily current affairs analysis on any good YouTube channel, or you can go for any website which are providing you relevant current affairs analysis on a regular basis. Then you must read the monthly compilations of magazines like Yojana and Kurukshetra. They are available online, right? On the government website, these magazines are there in the ebook format, and in fact, if you want their summaries, then various websites are providing their summaries also. That also you can go for. Last but not the least, you have to work on time management, which is the most important requirement for any preparation, right? So you're not supposed to read the newspaper whole day, right? So you need to fix a particular time that you will be setting aside for newspaper reading only, and you are not supposed to go beyond that, right? So it may happen initially that because you are not accustomed to reading the newspapers, so it may take a longer time. But yes, don't get bogged down by the amount of information that is available in the newspapers, right? Gradually develop the knack of reading the newspaper and develop the habit of finishing the reading in 45 to 60 minutes. That should be your daily limit, not beyond that. And how you are going to divide this particular limit? 15 minutes you can fix for the headlines, 20 minutes for editorials, and further 15 minutes for note making. That should be your target of finishing a newspaper, right? So that should be your benchmark to be achieved over the period of time. So now, finally summarizing what we have discussed till now. In order to read a newspaper effectively, what are the steps that I have told you? You have to first choose the right newspaper. Not any newspaper you are supposed to read. The newspaper that I have told you, Hindu, Indian Express, Business Standard, then government websites like PIB, PRS India, these are to be referred. Next, you are supposed to focus on the relevant sections, not the complete newspaper. Only some relevant sections are to be read that I have told you earlier. You are supposed to skip the irrelevant news, right? Not all news is relevant. You have to skim through the newspaper to find out the relevant news. Then I told you about the note making strategy, how you have to prepare the notes from the newspaper. Next, you have to use online resources that I have told you, different YouTube channels, websites. Then lastly, I told you about time management, how to fix a particular time for newspaper reading and accordingly prepare your notes from the newspaper. So I hope with this particular strategy, it will be easy for you to prepare your notes and add to your information from the newspapers. So that's all for today's session. Take care and all the best.